Hey guys, what's up? Shekhar Suman here from Biotechnica, and I'm here back with the gift number 1 which we had announced on Biotechnica's birthday. I hope you have already used the 0 rupees store. The link is given in the description. So this is a unique store, unique collection of products and services and books, ebooks and whatnot, which will help you in your exam, in your career, and a lot of goodies are inside this store. So all you have to do is click on the link in the description, go ahead and place an order, and all you have to pay is 0 rupees, just 0, nothing. Just place the order for 0 rupees and you will be able to download those ebooks, PDFs, whatever is available free of cost. Okay, so a little bit glimpse of about this 0 rupees store is we have also included mobile wallpapers, desktop wallpapers as well, so that if you're preparing for CSIR net, some motivational quotes related to your CSIR net is always there in front of you, whether it is mobile or desktop. We have some sample notes, we have some full length notes, PDFs, and a lot of stuff in this store. And to start with, we have added 10 products there. We'll keep adding new products on a daily basis, so don't forget to check 0 rupees store again and again at the link below. Thank you so much.